Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites so you can act immediately. First, make sure your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and Bluetooth on. Poor connectivity often stalls Apple Pay. Once done, open Wallet and tap the affected card to view its status and any alerts. Make sure iOS is updated. Outdated software can block transactions. Finally, check your bank or card issuer app for holds or required verifications, because Apple Pay waits on the bank's approval. Next, focus on the more detailed execution steps that clear pending states. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. This often resolves server mismatches. Then force close Wallet, restart the phone, and toggle Wallet Apple Pay off and on in settings so the system reinitializes the card. At the same time, verify your billing address, CVV, and region settings match the bank's records, because mismatches cause declines and pending holds. Now finish the process to clear pending Apple Pay transactions. Remove the card from Wallet, wait at least 1 minute, then add it again using the camera or manual details so the device gets a fresh token. After re-adding, do a small contactless purchase to force authorization and prompt any pending holds to clear. If the transaction still shows pending, contact your card issuer and Apple support together, provide transaction ID, and ask them to release or explain holds. This single outreach usually...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.